Today's video is a game changer. You won't believe the money moves we're about to uncover using ChatGPT. We're talking a mind-blowing $19,000, and trust me, it's all thanks to the incredible power of ChatGPT. Buckle up, because we're on a journey that'll flip your perspective on content creation. But hold on, it's not just about the cash. ChatGPT is the ultimate all-in-one wizard. Stick around as we dive into the rabbit hole armed with ChatGPT and a hunger for success. If you're ready to level up your content game and tap into ChatGPT's awesomeness, don't blink or you might miss the gold. Smash that like button, hit subscribe. That way, you won't miss out on the latest updates, insider secrets, and awesome tips. Thanks a bunch for being part of our buzzing community. Let's continue this exciting journey towards digital and financial success, one step at a time. This cool open AI project uses fancy language skills from the GPT 3.5 model, letting you chat with an AI that feels superhuman. ChatGPT is awesome because it can help with YouTube descriptions, scripts, AI art, and even coding. By using this cutting-edge tool, you'll speed up making content and save a bunch of time and money. First, sign up for a free ChatGPT account, then dive into its features. To start making money, find a blog topic that fits your niche. Do some keyword research using hsupertools.com, a great free SEO tool. Create an account, go to the SEO section, type in your niche keyword like affiliate marketing, and verify you're not a robot. Hit search, and you'll get a list of keywords with search volume, competition, and CPC info. Choose a keyword with high search volume and low competition, like affiliate marketing Amazon. Write an article about it with ChatGPT's help. Go back to ChatGPT and ask for blog topic ideas related to your keyword. It'll quickly give you 10 tailored ideas. Let ChatGPT guide your content creation and find success in your online ventures. If you need more ideas, click the Regenerate Response button. Let's move on to the next step in creating your blog. Now you can choose from the list of titles we've generated for your blog. Just pick one, use the command Outline of Blog Post, followed by your chosen title. Press Enter, and in just a few minutes, ChatGPT will create a custom outline for your selected topic. This handy feature makes brainstorming and planning your blog content a breeze. Moving on to the third step, let's focus on getting the actual content for your blog outline. Copy the first part of the outline and use the command Provide the blog section of this outline. Paste the first part, press Enter, and watch as ChatGPT works its magic to craft a brilliant introduction for your article. Don't forget to copy and save this introduction in a new Word document to track your progress. You can systematically build your blog post with ChatGPT's assistance. Once you've completed the first part, return to the tool and use the same command for the second part. Repeat this process for all remaining outlines to fill out your entire blog article. Now that your blog is fully crafted with ChatGPT's help, let's give it a boost for better Google rankings. Copy all the content you've generated so far, head over to Google, and search for DupliChecker Article Rewriter. Click on the first website that appears, paste the content into the provided text field, complete the I'm not a robot verification, and click on Rewrite Article. This step is crucial to ensure your blog remains unique and free from duplicate content, which can impact your search engine rankings. The rephrased version will maintain the essence of your original content while providing a fresh perspective. Once it's ready, copy and paste it back into your Word document to finalize your optimized blog article. To ensure your blog appears human-generated, you can use huggingface.co and AI Material Detector. Copy a few sentences from your blog, paste them into the text field on huggingface.co, and wait a few seconds for the program to assess the content. Aim for no less than 90% human-like substance to pass as authentically authored by humans. After successfully creating a human-generated blog, it's time for the exciting next step: publishing it on Medium.com, a dynamic blogging platform with a vast and engaged audience. The cool thing is, it won't cost you anything, and anyone from anywhere can get in on this awesome opportunity. But before we jump into the publishing stuff, I'm really curious to know where all you amazing viewers are tuning in from. So don't be shy. Share your country in the comments below. Your feedback will help me make content that's relevant to your region in future videos. It's all about connecting and tailoring our journey together to suit your needs and interests. Let's get interactive and chat with each other. Drop your country in the comments, and let's embark on this blogging adventure together. The first step in getting your blog on medium.com is to create an account on the website. When you're ready to go, click on the enticing Write button in the upper right part of the page. Finally, it's time to bring your blog to life. Copy and paste your well-crafted blog article with a catchy title into the editor to make it visually captivating and engaging. Don't forget the power of a featured image. Check out sites like pixabay.com or pixels.com for a wide collection of relevant and eye-catching photos related to your subject. Choose an image that suits your content well, instantly grabbing readers' attention and making a lasting impact. Remember, the right visual can express emotions, catch attention, and help your blog stand out in a sea of content. Take your time, pick that ideal image, and let it boost the impact of your writing on medium.com. Also, think about including affiliate links in your blog to increase your earnings. To add links easily, use Medium's built-in link insertion function. Just select the text to be linked, click the chain symbol in the editor toolbar, and paste the affiliate link into the URL field. Get your links ready to go, and with just one click, you can start earning commissions. But it's crucial to be upfront and honest with your readers about these affiliate links. You can do this by adding a disclaimer in your bio and within your post. Take advantage of Medium's audience and algorithm by crafting a well-written and interesting piece to reach a larger audience and boost views. For the finishing touch, provide 5 blog topics to give readers a clear idea of what your article covers. For example, include topics like affiliate marketing, making money online, Amazon affiliate programs, Amazon associates, and Amazon affiliate tutorials. Once you've covered everything, hit the publish button, choose the right publication or create a new one, and voila! Your article is now live on medium.com, ready to capture readers' attention. Use social media to promote your article on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to reach an even larger audience and invite them to explore your content. Thanks for being part of this video. We hope you found valuable information and inspiration for your online pursuits. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for future content filled with helpful tips and strategies. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.